Welcome to this in-depth review of Godex, the trusted platform for fast, anonymous, and secure cryptocurrency exchanges. In this video, we'll take you step by step through its features, showing you how this platform operates and what sets it apart from others in the industry. Whether you're an experienced trader or just getting started, Godex makes trading over 300 cryptocurrencies easy and accessible, all without registration or trading limits. To start, visit the Godex homepage, where you'll immediately notice its clean and intuitive interface. Here, you can select the cryptocurrency you want to exchange and the one you wish to receive. The platform offers real-time rate tracking, so you can always see the current exchange rates before you proceed. The process is straightforward. After selecting your cryptocurrencies, enter the wallet address for receiving funds, and provide the sending wallet details. Godex ensures anonymity by not requiring any personal data, which makes it stand out among many competitors. Once the details are confirmed, the exchange is processed quickly and securely, with most transactions completing in under 30 minutes. Godex also prides itself on fixed rates during exchanges. Unlike other platforms where rates may fluctuate mid-transaction, Godex locks the rate when you initiate the transaction. This feature provides added security and clarity for users who want to know exactly what they'll receive. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Another key feature of Godex is the absence of trading limits. Whether you want to exchange small amounts or large volumes of cryptocurrency, Godex accommodates all users equally. This flexibility is perfect for investors and traders managing portfolios of various sizes. Security is paramount at Godex. The platform uses robust encryption and ensures that user data is never stored. As a result, there is virtually no risk of a data breach, offering peace of mind to anyone trading on the platform. Additionally, Godex provides detailed transaction receipts. Once a trade is completed, users can download a receipt for their records, which includes all transaction details and the lock rate at the time of the trade. Finally, Godex's customer support team is available around the clock to assist with any questions or concerns. Their responsiveness and expertise add to the platform's credibility and user satisfaction. If you found this review helpful and want more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like.